Hello there. Let's talk about the heart as the part of the circulatory organ or the main organ for circulation. So the heart is, if we're going to define it, it's the pumping organ or the pumping station of the circulatory system or our body. It pumps blood. It receives blood also. It is located at the center of our chest and it is slightly tilted to the left. Aside from that, the heart is normally positioned with two-thirds of its bulk to the left of the breastbone, and the heart keeps blood moving throughout the body. The heart composed of muscle called the cardiac muscle, and this one is involuntary. The heart beats about 3 billion times during an average lifetime, and the heart composed of four major chambers, namely the right atrium and the right ventricle. On the left side, we have the left atrium and the left ventricle. So let us see how they function. Beginning with the atrium, which is responsible for receiving used blood coming from all parts of the body. So the arrows are pointing on the atrium part. It is located on the upper portion of the ventricles. So when the atria contract, blood is pumped into the ventricles. As you can see, just watch the red. Red represents the flow of blood inside these chambers. Now, the ventricles are the pumping chambers of the heart. It's the one that pumps the blood out of the heart. So when they contract, oxygen-rich blood is forced away from the heart for distribution to the different parts of the body, like this, as it pumps away or the blood moves away from the heart. Next is that the muscle composing the walls of the ventricles here are thicker than the muscles in the atria because they are responsible for pumping the blood back. And between the atria and the ventricles here, where the arrows are pointing, you will see that there are mitral valves and tricuspid. This is what it looks like, where you can find it, the tricuspid and the mitral valve. So the valves are overlapping layers of tissue that allow the blood to flow only in one direction. So the last one is this at the center part that separates the left and the right atrium and ventricles. They are called, or this one is called the septum. So I hope you learned something about what the heart, the function of the heart, the four chambers of the heart, and as well as this particular portion between the two lower chambers. Hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.